The Sarcos Guardian XO is a full-body powered exoskeleton developed over more than 20 years with over $300 million in research investment. Weighing 113 kilograms or 250 pounds, it features 24 degrees of freedom and is designed to augment human strength and endurance. With a height range between 163 and 183 centimeters, it enables operators to repeatedly lift loads of up to 90 kilograms without strain, operating for up to 8 hours on a single charge. The frame is optimized for ergonomic operation, capable of supporting up to 200 pounds continuously, while also serving in limited rehabilitation use cases, helping patients regain mobility and assisted strength. The system can be deployed for the equivalent cost of $25 per hour, making advanced robotics accessible. Safety is ensured through redundant limit stops, passive braking systems, and stumble recovery functions, minimizing injury risks even in power loss scenarios. The exoskeleton's load capacity compensates for its own structural weight, guaranteeing 100% transfer of external loads to the suit rather than the operator. Heavy-duty actuators and precision-balanced joints allow safe handling of containers and heavy tools over extended cycles without fatigue. When combined with the Guardian GT robotic platform and the Guardian XT teleoperated system, the XO provides the foundation for modular remote robotics. With strength amplification of up to 20 times, a single operator can achieve the workload equivalent of 4 to 10 workers. High-torque actuators and load-balancing tools enable seamless manipulation of cargo and tools while maintaining stability and safety. The suit's 24 degrees of freedom mirror natural human motion, with 14 degrees of freedom in the upper body and 10 in the lower body. Each shoulder provides 3 degrees of freedom. Elbows and wrists add flexibility, while the hips, knees, and ankles ensure stable walking and lifting. Hands feature 2 degrees of freedom each, allowing gripping and thumb movement. Power is delivered by 2 lithium-ion battery packs, providing 8 hours of continuous operation. The packs are hot swappable, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Despite this capability, the system consumes less than 400 watts, a dramatic reduction from the 6,800 watts required in earlier prototypes. Finally, more than 120 embedded sensors detect operator movements within milliseconds, eliminating latency and removing the need for external body-worn sensors. With force sensors, gyroscopes, accelerometers, and encoders, the system achieves precise biomechanical replication, ensuring safety and seamless performance across industrial and medical applications.